I think if we go back to the beginning of the day, that amazing keynote from GSMA and others as well, looking at kind of that future reimagining of what the tech industry is all about. And I love that. It was really kind of 150 years of mobile, 150 years of AT&T, funnily enough too, and all the innovation and patience that's put together as well. I think it's an amazing kind of innovation there. But it just struck me, what a place to be.
Absolutely.
Having the agency to try and make a difference through technology and data, through people, through partnerships, through collaboration. You know, we can deliver these innovation benefits for big business, but also for SMEs, startups, but also for wider society as well. So really this power of ecosystems is really exciting.
And Shelley, I think we're
we're
on
on the road.
Yeah. AT&T Business welcoming us here, and you as well. We hope you'll continue to join us as we share more about tech news, tech trends, and the power of connectivity.
Absolutely. Power of technology and the power of tech for good.